In this week's episode, mixed meatballs. You'll need half a diced onion, spring onions, diced bell peppers. I used red and orange. For the sauce, 3 diced tomatoes, and thinly sliced half an onion. To a bowl, add skinless sausages and 2/3 of mincemeat of your choice. Add steak seasoning, some barbecue supreme seasoning, smoked paprika, dried parsley, paprika, ginger puree, Worcestershire sauce, Montreal steak seasoning rub, some white wine vinegar, the diced vegetables, aromat seasoning, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and some canned pineapple juice. Lightly oil a lined air fryer tray. Then mold the meat into balls. Air fry the meatballs in an air fryer set to 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure to turn them halfway and allow to rest for 5 to 8 minutes. Heat oil in a saucepan over a high heat. Shallow fry the onions. Add aromat seasoning or salt. Add curry powder, some Worcestershire sauce, then the diced tomatoes. Spaghetti bolognese seasoning mix. Then add the rest of the canned pineapple juice. Add some tomato ketchup. And finally boiled water to your desired thickness. Cover with lid and simmer on a medium to low heat. Remove from heat and add the meatballs to the saucepan. Return to simmer on a medium to low heat before serving. And that's it. Enjoy these tasty air-fried meatballs packed with so much flavor. Thank you all for watching. Love you all, and God bless.